2018 Ateca. It's been a long time coming, but Seat has finally jumped on the global sport utility vehicle (SUV) bandwagon and introduced the Ateca. This humble hauler marks the Spanish marque's first foray into this full-sized SUV segment and comes in an understated yet highly desirable package. Wait, that looks sadly familiar. If the Ateca looks familiar and you can't quite put your finger on it, we won't blame you. Due to its relationship with its German parent company, the Spanish SUV shares many similarities with the Volkswagen Tiguan. Seat has drawn on the experience of its German overlords, utilizing similar componentry such as the MQB platform, found in the Tiguan, for the Ateca. But while the Tiguan has a more commanding road presence, the Ateca presents itself in a simpler yet sportier exterior. Simplicity extends to the cabin as well, with sport seats and vinyl trims decked out in black and gray. Straight edges and angled corners are a common theme in seat models such as the Leon, and the Ateca is no exception. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. A handsome interior isn't all the Ateca offers, though. Controls are easy to use while the infotainment system is straightforward and intuitive. The 8.0-inch touchscreen also features Full Link, which allows for smartphone mirroring, as well as Android Auto and Apple CarPlay functionality. Navigation is available as an option, but that may not be necessary since you'll be able to connect your smartphone and just navigate with Google Maps anyway. More noteworthy is a storage compartment beneath the climate controls, which offers wireless charging, 2 USB ports, a headphone jack and a 12-volt port. Further down the center console sits a rotary dial, which enables the convenient selection of various drive modes, including Eco and Sport. Nippy, zippy. The Ateca doesn't just look sporty, it also handles well for its size. Firmer suspension makes it a little more agile than the Tiguan, but that may not be to everyone's liking. Still, we welcome the slightly stiffer ride as it minimizes body roll through corners and gives the impression that the SUV is smaller than it actually is. Couple that with sharp steering and you get a well-controlled and confidence-inspiring ride.